Hi guys, today I've got a big box for unboxing for you. I've actually thought that I ordered a small mini orchids, but I don't know why is this box so big. But anyway, I'm so excited about it, and it's from Schwerter. Let's go ahead and open it up. Hi guys, I've got the box open now. We're going through the contents. So as you can see, it's been wrapped and packaged very nice. So let's go ahead and open this big one. So it's been a bit cold in the last few days. It's been in transit for. So I've gone ahead and opened this. This one is Dendrobium sulawesiense times by lawesii. It's a very nice big dendrobium, very healthy. I love it. Next, another one. I thought these are small in the picture. I didn't think they're gonna be this big. So I've gone ahead and opened this one again, and this is my second Dendrobium mohlianum. As you can see, it's a very healthy and beautiful orchid, and it's got this flower, cluster of flower here, and this cluster of flower here. I hope they don't blast, and I'll try to update you when they're in bloom. Okay, next I've got So by the way, most of them are dendrobium, or I think all of them are actually dendrobiums. You know guys, I like dendrobiums. This one is Dendrobium Roy Tokunaga. Oh, it's very big and nice. It's a bit wet, but hopefully it should be okay. Oh, I love it. It's very nice and big plant. Thank you, Schwerter. Next, I've got this one. Oh, this one is in bloom. So this one, oops, I'm making a mess. This is one of those This is one of those Dendrobium cuthbertsonii hybrid. As you can see, very nice quality. And lots of bloom coming up. I hope I can keep it happy. So next, this one is Dendrobium convolutum. Looks like Laturia, but it's very nice. I don't remember actually ordering this one. I have to check my list. Okay, so that's there. And I've got this one to open. Another sulawesiense. I think cuthbertsonii hybrid. One of them was actually the species. So this one is cuthbertsonii sulawesiense. I think orange one of them was, and it's got some bloom coming up. Oh, it looks like white, or I don't know. Anyway, nice little plant, healthy. I've got 3 more to go. This is so nice and beautiful, tiny leaves. So this one is Dendrobium glomeratum, very small. I'm again making mess. Sorry. And this one, this is a very small, nice dendrobium, but it's a seedling. It's called Dendrobium treacherianum. So the last one is Tolumnia scandens, and this was on sale, only £1. So honestly, that's why that was the reason. £1 orchid. I never bought a £1 orchid. That's why I got this one too. So let's see. Okay. Not too bad actually. Nice quality. I like it. So you know that. Oh, and there's this new growth as well. That's very nice. Species Tolumnia, this one. Okay, I'll show you a close-up of everything I have. As you can see, this one is Dendrobium. Let me find it here. Is this one treacherianum? It's got other names, Eugenia or something, that I don't remember now. But when it's mature, it's got really nice flower. So let's hope it survives and grow well. And this one is cuthbertsonii hybrid. So I think I've ordered the red one, but I don't know why I got the pink. Anyway, and this one is Tolumnia scandens, species Tolumnia, really nice one. Next, I've got this Dendrobium, which was Dendrobium convolutum, very nice quality. And this one's Dendrobium Roy Tokunaga. It's big enough to flower maybe next year. And my other dendrobiums, this one came with 2 clusters of buds. I hope they don't blast, but really nice plant. This one is this Dendrobium, this one mohlianum, pseudoglomeratum, and this nice dendrobium is Dendrobium sulawesiense times by lawesii violet. I'll write the name in the description so you can see it all. And that's at the background is my Anthurium clarinervium and my beautiful Christmas cactus and my jewel orchid in bloom. Just put them for display purposes. And this one is Dendrobium glomeratum, and this one is the other cuthbertsonii sulawesiense hybrid Dendrobium with some buds in it. So that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my Schwerter haul and unboxing, and if you did, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you very much for watching.